hold it steady so that we're looking at. Okay. Do you see the flat head of my screwdriver? I do? Do you? Good. That's fine with me, huh? Okay. Now, can you see the tip of the flat head? Okay? Okay. Let me have the video. Now the next step is to pop the batteries out, and while popping them out, make sure you're popping them out from the positive side. So this is where you pop them out. With your nails, ऐसे करके you pop them out. I'm not popping it out because once I pop it out, what's going to happen is this display is going to lose all its power. So I'll have to reset it. But I think it gives the point across to you. This is what you need to do. And these are AA batteries. So call me if you have any questions.